Get to know Agentforce Vibes IDE. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you'll be able to list the main features of Agentforce Vibes IDE. Describe the benefits of a web-based IDE. Explain how Agentforce Vibes IDE enables admins and developers to collaborate on the same DX project. Explain how Agentforce Vibes IDE supports source-driven development.
Discover Agentforce Vibes IDE. Salesforce Agentforce Vibes IDE, formerly Code Builder, is an integrated development environment, IDE, that has all the power and flexibility of Visual Studio Code, Salesforce extensions for VS Code, and Salesforce CLI level. The Agentforce Vibes IDE dev environment can be launched from your Salesforce org. Launch it from the Setup menu. It's already connected to your org. Because Agentforce Vibes IDE comes pre-installed with Salesforce extensions for VS Code and Salesforce CLI, you get your favorite Salesforce languages and frameworks, such as Apex, SOQL, Visualforce, and Lightning Web Components, and some rich developer tools, such as debuggers for Apex, linting, and so on. In addition to all that goodness, you also get the Agentforce extension. Get started with agentic development workflows and Salesforce automation by chatting with Agentforce in natural language. Agentforce takes action to execute tasks like analyzing unfamiliar code, improving documentation, and completing complex development workflows. What does it mean for you? Well, only that you get all this awesomeness without lifting a finger. That's all. Just launch and go.
Get to know your Agentforce Vibes IDE environment. Here are some features that make Agentforce Vibes IDE your go-to IDE for Salesforce development. Default org, working org. When you open Agentforce Vibes IDE, you're logged into your Salesforce org. You can easily change orgs by clicking on the org alias. You can see your default org alias in the status bar. Your project files and folders, Explorer. Navigate between files that are a part of your project. Click a file to open it in the editor. The editor has a navigation bar above its contents called Breadcrumbs. It shows the current location and allows you to quickly navigate between folders and files in your project. List available actions, Command Palette. Use the Command Palette to easily run many commands in VS Code. You can execute editor commands, open files and folders, and so much more. The Command Palette also gives you single-click access to our powerful DX tooling. Press Ctrl-Shift-P, Shift-Command-P for Mac, to view the Command Palette. Then type ? To view all available commands, or SFDX to view all the Salesforce DX commands.
Your org's metadata, org browser. The org browser is a part of Agentforce Vibes IDE that displays metadata types and their corresponding components in your org. You can use org browser to retrieve metadata source with clicks. Once retrieved, you can work on this file in Agentforce Vibes IDE until you are ready to save it to source control or an org. And there's more. Here are some amazing things you can do using Agentforce Vibes IDE without any install or download. Use Agent to create automations like workflows and processes in your org. Use natural language to pull changes to a local environment for testing. Use Agent to edit and test code. Deploy code to your org using natural language.